For you, what does it take to be a successful Canadian immigrant?
Um, I think yung determination and yung willingness mo to commit to your decision na, okay, ito na yung bagong chapter ng buhay ko, how determined you are to achieve your goals. I think yun yung kasi success by itself is very subjective, right? So it really
Mhm.
depends sa isang tao, ano ba yung definition mo ng success. But as long as you're starting somewhere to achieve that goal and how determined you are, I think yun yung parang how it takes to become successful, a successful
Yes,
Canadian immigrant.
that's true. I agree. Also, sa akin, ang personal take ko naman dyan, based from my experiences, what does it take to be a successful Canadian immigrant? First is know your deepest reason why did you move to Canada. For some kasi it can be money or it can be better future for my family. So you should always go back to that reason, to that objective when things get rough and things. Keep that in mind na ano ba yung reason ko, bakit ako andito? And that will keep you moving and you'll be able to turn these obstacles into opportunities. And also, remember that there's always nonprofit organizations who help immigrants settle and adjust. They will help you. Go always get in touch with them, build network and build your community.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for that advice.